Suraj Jadhav. Today we are talking about constructor in Java. A constructor in Java is a special method that is used to initialize object. The constructor is called when an object of the class is created. It can be used to set initial value for the object attributes. Constructor must have the same name as the class within which is defined, while it is not necessary for the method in Java. Constructor in special method that is used to initialize object. The constructor is called when an object is class is created. It can be used to set initialize value for object attributes. Constructor must have the same name as the class within which is defined, while it is not necessary for the method in Java. Constructor do not return any type, while method have return type, or void does not any return value. Constructor are called only once at the time of object creations, while methods can be called any number of times when constructor called. Each time an object is created using new keyword at least once constructed, it could be the default constructor. It is invoked to assign initial value to the data. Members of the same class. Now is the correct time to discuss type of the constructor. So primarily there are the two types of the constructor in Java: no argument constructor and parameterized constructor. First of all, we're talking about no argument constructor. No argument constructor, a constructor that has no parameter, is known as the default constructor. If we don't define a constructor in class, then the compiler create default constructor for the class, and if we write constructor with argument, or then the compiler does not create default constructor. Second one is a parameterized constructor, a constructor that has a parameter known as the parameterized constructor. If we want to initialize fields of the class with our value, then use parameterized constructor. Now the most important topic that comes into play is strong incorporation of the offs with the constructor, known as the constructor overloading. Just like method, we can overload constructor for creating object in a different way. Compiler differentiate constructor on the basis of the numbers parameter, types of the parameter, and the order of the parameters. Constructor overloading in Java. In Java, a constructor is just like a method, but without type of return type. It can also be the overload like a Java methods. Constructor overloading in Java is a technique of having more one constructor with a different parameter list. There are the arranged in way that is constructor perform a different task. They are differentiated by the compiler by the number of parameters in the list and their types. Java copy constructor. There is no copy constructor in Java. However, we can copy any value from the object that turn is like a constructor in C++. There are many ways to copy the value of the one object into another in Java. There are by constructor, by assigning the value of the new object into other, by clone method of the object class, copying value with the constructor. When we can copy the value of the object into another by assigning the object value to another object. In case of there is no need of the create the constructor. This is the constructor in the Java. Thank you so much.